Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel.
Hi, my name is Rose. I'm 28 years old. Today is a big day. I just moved to a new city for a full-time job. I just got off the plane. The flight was short, only 1 hour, but I'm a little tired. I pick up my suitcase and walk outside. This is my first time in this city. Everything looks new and exciting. I take a taxi to my new place. My company found a small apartment for me. It's a studio apartment, not big, but just right for me.
Where to?
Hi, here's the address. It's near city center.
Got it. Welcome to the city.
We drive through busy streets. There are tall buildings, people walking, and lots of cars. The city feels fast, but I like it already. We stop in front of a small building. I get out, pay the driver, and go inside. I walk up one flight of stairs and open the door. Wow, it's simple, but it feels nice. There's a small kitchen, a desk, a bed, and a window with a view of the street. There's also a little balcony. I put down my suitcase and take a deep breath. Okay, this is home now. After resting for a bit, I decide to buy some things for the apartment, like water, snacks, and maybe a small plant. I find a convenience store just down the street.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, thank you. I'm looking for bottled water and fruit.
Water is in the back and the fruit is on the right.
Perfect, thank you. I also buy some bread, soap, and a notebook. How much is it?
$12.50, please.
I pay and say thank you. The people here seem friendly. On the way back, I see a small coffee shop. I go in and order a coffee.
Good afternoon. What would you like?
A coffee with milk, please.
Coming right up.
I sit by the window, drink my coffee, and write in my new notebook. First impressions. The city is big and full of life. People are helpful. I think I'm going to like it here. I go back to my apartment as the sun is going down. I open the window and look outside. Tomorrow is my first day at work, so I need to sleep early. I brush my teeth, set my alarm, and write one last sentence in my notebook. A new city, a new job, a new life. Let's see what happens next.
Now let's look into vocabulary from this episode. Studio apartment, meaning A small apartment with one main room. Convenience store, meaning a small store with basic items. Taxi, meaning a car you pay to take you somewhere. Flight, meaning a trip on a plane. Set my alarm, meaning get ready to wake up at a specific time. Grammar focus. 1. Present simple for daily activities. I wake up early. I go to the store. I drink coffee. 2. Polite questions. Can I help you? How much is it? What would you like?
Hi again. It's me, Rose. Today is my first day at work in the new city. I'm a little nervous, but also very excited. I wake up early, take a shower, and get dressed. I wear a simple blue dress and comfortable shoes. I go to the kitchen and make a quick breakfast, a slice of toast and a cup of tea. Okay, let's do this. I check the address of my office again. It's about 20 minutes by bus from my apartment. I walk to the bus stop and wait. Another woman is standing there looking at her phone. Excuse me, does this bus go to Green Street?
Yes, it does. I work near there too.
Oh, nice. It's my first day in the city.
Welcome. I hope you like it here.
The bus comes and we both get on. I sit by the window and watch the city go by. I arrive at a tall office building with big glass doors. I walk in and go to the front desk.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Hi, I'm Rose. Today is my first day at work here.
Great. Please take a seat. Someone will come get you.
A few minutes later, a woman comes down the hall.
Hi, Rose. I'm Julia, your manager. Welcome.
Hi, Julia. Nice to meet you. Julia shows me around the office.
This is the kitchen where you can make tea or coffee. Here's the break room. And this is your desk, right by the window.
Wow, thank you. The view is beautiful. I put my bag down and sit at my desk. Later, Aisha and I go to the kitchen for a coffee. So, where are you from? I'm from a small town. This city is very different.
I understand. I moved here 2 years ago. At first, it's strange, but it gets better.
That's good to hear. We smile and chat. It's nice to have someone to talk to. At 5:30, I pack up and head home. On the bus, I feel tired, but in a good way. Back at my apartment, I make dinner and sit on the balcony. The air is cool and the city lights are shining. I open my notebook and write, "Today was my first day at work. I met kind people, found my desk, and had coffee with a new friend. I'm learning something new, not just about work, but about life in this city. I think I'm going to enjoy this journey."
Now, let's look into vocabulary from this episode. Bus stop, meaning a place where the bus picks up people. Break room, meaning a room where workers can rest. Receptionist, meaning a person who welcomes people at an office. Get on the bus, meaning to enter the bus. Pack up, meaning to collect your things and prepare to leave. Grammar focus. Number 1. Present continuous for now. Used for things happening right now. I am getting ready. She is showing me the office. We are having a coffee. Number 2. Making introductions. This is Julia. She's my manager. Hi, I'm Rose. Nice to meet you.
If you're learning English or moving to a new place, remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try, to speak, to listen, and to learn a little each day. Thank you for being part of my journey.